Hello everyone! Today we are going to unbox and take a closer look at the HTVRONT A200 Auto Tumbler Hip Press. Let's open the box and see what's inside. First, you will find a user guide envelope, which includes a user menu card, a quick start guide, a brand card, and a warranty card. This will help you get to know your machine quickly, so make sure to check them out. Next, inside the box, you will find one 2mm tumbler hip press mat, one 4mm tumbler hip press mat, one roll of heat-resistant tape, one pair of heat-resistant gloves, and of course, here's the machine itself. So these are all the items you will find in the package. Now let's quickly try using this machine. With its compact size of 335 by 310 by 226 millimeters, it's perfect for small shops or personal studios. The sliding rail can be swept easily, making it very beginner-friendly. Turn on the power and the screen along with the start button lights up. The machine is ready to go. You can adjust pressure, time, and temperature to match different cup size and designs. In this video, we're using a 20-ounce tumbler and selecting Mode A. When the start button turns green, put on your heat-resistant gloves, wrap the tumbler with the heat press mat, and place it inside the machine. Press start, and the machine begins the heat press automatically. Once the countdown finishes and the heat plate release, take out the cup and peel off the sublimation paper. And there you will have it, a perfectly customized tumbler. This machine can also handle other straight tumblers and glass cups. That's all for today's unboxing. Ready to give it a try?